Hello viewers, this is Usama from Videofy, and today I will show you how to install the props guard set on DJI Mavic Mini. So first have a look on the props guard. As we can see, the one clip is higher than the other clip is low on both props guard. Same like the DJI Mavic Mini, the front legs are high and the rear legs are low. So the higher clip should be fixed on the front leg and the lower clip should be fixed on the rear leg. First we have to open the hinges. So now we have to place a drone between this props guard like that. Place it over here and close the hinge one by one. You will hear a sound. Like that. Higher hinge will be fixed on the front leg. Like that. Close the hinge. The last one as well. That's it. The props guard are installed. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you liked this video, please thumbs up, and we have a playlist over here about DJI Mavic Mini. You can check it out, and please subscribe to my channel by clicking it here. Thank you so much.